Hello everyone and welcome back to our course. In this lecture, we're diving deeper into a bit of theory about Apache Spark and overall understanding before we start coding. We need to know what are resilient distributed data sets, which are a fundamental object of Apache Spark. So an RDD, a resilient distributed data set, is a fundamental data structure of Spark. It's an immutable distributed collection of objects. So that means it cannot change, it's immutable. And it's distributed collection. It can contain any type of Python, Java, or Scala, including user-defined classes. Each data set is divided into logical partitions, and these can be computed on different nodes of the cluster. Spark uses RDD to achieve faster and efficient MapReduce operations. In this course, we're going to learn how we can work with resilient distributed data sets. Join me in the next lecture where we will continue the course.